In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color theme in Google Chrome. Whether you want to personalize Chrome with built-in color options or install a new theme from the Chrome Web Store, it's quick and easy to customize your browser's appearance. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Open a new tab, then click the Customize Chrome button in the bottom right corner of the page. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on Chrome's default New Tab page. A customization panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In the Appearance section, you'll find a selection of built-in color themes. Simply click on any color combination to preview it, and Chrome will apply the change instantly so you can see how it looks. If you'd like even more customization, you can also choose a background image or upload one of your own. As you make changes, Chrome updates the appearance automatically, so there's no need to save your selections. If you're looking for additional themes, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. Next, click Appearance, then select Theme. This will open the Chrome Web Store where you can browse hundreds of official themes. When you find a theme you like, click on it to view the preview page. Then select Add to Chrome. After a few moments, Chrome will download and apply the new theme automatically across your browser. If you ever want to switch back to the default appearance, return to Settings, open Appearance, and click Reset to Default next to the theme settings. Chrome will immediately restore its original look. That's how to change the color theme in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.